Once there was a big warehouse full of rice bags. Many rats lived there and read the grains. The owner was tired of finding ways to keep the rats away, so he bought a cat and let it in the warehouse. The cat would silently play around and chased the rat away. The rats were terrified and decided to have a meeting. They gathered together one evening at a secluded place and started their discussion. They were very confused and did not think of any solution to stop the cat. Suddenly, one of the cat's rats said, "We should tie a bell around the cat's neck. If we tie a bell around the cat's neck, we can hear the sound of the bell when the cat comes. This way, we would be alerted." The rats found the idea interesting. Then a rat asked, "Who will tie the bell around the cat's neck?" Now all the rats fell silent as no one was willing to take a risk. They understood that it is easier said than done. Moral was that